Hey guys, it's Samuel here. Welcome to my channel. So in my last video, I asked if you all want me to make a tutorial on how I fixed my Haylou GT1 Pro left earbuds when it stopped working, and a couple of people responded. So here's the video, guys. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to it. So guys, let me give you a backstory of what happened. I used both earbuds all day and I dropped them in the case to charge overnight, only for me to want to use them in the next morning and the left earbuds never come on. I tried all form of troubleshooting I could think of. I even did factory reset and all of that, and it didn't come up, so I thought it had spoiled. And I was so pissed because there was no warranty and all of that. So to cut the long story short, the thought of it not charged struck me, so I got alcohol to fix it. So to the tutorial, guys, get Spirit, a small microfiber cloth or cotton board, preferably cotton board. Moist the microfiber cloth with Spirit and gently use it to wipe the charging hole on the boards for some seconds. Then return it back to the charging case for it to charge. I didn't Spirit to wipe mine right now because I've done that when it didn't work, when it was not charged and it worked. I think what happened was that there was a little bit of dirt on it, so it didn't connect with the pogo pins on the charging case, so it didn't charge at all. So when I did that and I returned it back to the charging case, it started charging, and then after some minutes I tried to use it, and since then everything has been working perfectly. That's all for this video, guys. So if you did that, it should work, and if it does not work after this tutorial, then you should probably return it to where you got it from if it still has a warranty. That is all for this video, guys. As I've said earlier, let me know if this simple process works for you too in the comment section. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until you hear from me again, au revoir.